Now, with the price of Shiba Inu Coin sitting relatively sideways over the last couple of days, right around that 1,200 point per coin level of support, we are in for some volatility. This is going to be a very big week ahead of us. We've got Bitcoin sitting right there around $20,000, Ethereum right there around 1,600, Shiba Inu Coin at major levels of support at 1,200 points per coin. And I want to talk about, one, the reason we could see this volatility, and two, what it means for us moving forward. Because yes, we could absolutely rise in price beginning this week, but we might see some turbulence before we do. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can grab Shiba Inu Coin, you've got KuCoin down there, and they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. And you've also got international Binance for any of the international users that want to get your hands on it. Make sure to check it out. But let's discuss this volatility and also talk about some levels that we may or may not be able to break through and what it means if we do. So one of the main things, if not the biggest thing that Shiba Inu Coin has in store for it in all of 2020 is happening this week. And that is the midterm elections here in the United States. This is going to affect the cryptocurrency market. This is going to affect the stock market. This is going to affect Shiba Inu Coin in a way that could be very, very good or very, very bad. And I know that it's not a prediction. Right? It would be terrible if it was, oh yeah, I predicted it's going to go up or it's going to go down. But it's definitely going to increase volatility, and I want to talk about why. We've got uncertainty leading into these elections, right? Nobody knows what the outcomes are going to be. Everybody's kind of sitting on the sidelines just waiting right now, and that's why we got the price just trembling on those support lines. Bitcoin around 20,000, Ethereum around 1,600, Shiba Inu Coin around 1,200 points per coin, and even Terra Luna Classic right around those support levels at 22,000 points per coin. So as these coins trade sideways, it's investors beginning to just sit back and wait for the results. And this type of uncertainty is going to lead to big swings ahead. Now, we obviously know that regardless of the election results, some people are going to think it's great. Some people are going to think it's terrible. And that doesn't matter which side wins. But there is going to be mass reaction to the election results. And Shiba Inu Coin, unfortunately, is going to be victim of that mass reaction. Now, that could lead to the downside. It could lead to the upside. But the nervousness and kind of that volatility going into it is what's going to exacerbate the move following the results. Now, clearly, right, we don't know what these are going to be. We may not get the results till the end of the week and so on, but you need to be prepared. And when it comes to Shiba Inu Coin, it is fairly simple to get prepared on what the levels are that we need to look out for. Just trending sideways and maintaining these levels around 1,200 points per coin is very healthy, especially leading up to an event that could be, as big as what we're expecting here with the election results. So knowing that, we are looking to the downside at 1,000 points per coin. Guys, 1,000 points per coin is a major line in the sand for Shiba Inu Coin. And it would be great, okay, if the election results are in and they are disliked by the majority of traders. 1,000 points per coin stands to be that line in the sand, major level of support. If, for example, that level is broken, you could absolutely see 30, 40, 50% plus declines in the price of Shiba Inu Coin, going down to 700, 600, or even 500 points per coin, depending on the severity. Now, that's the bad news, okay? Let's get that kind of out of the way for the moment, and let's talk about the good news, in case Shiba Inu Coin does begin to run. If Shiba Inu Coin begins to break out to the upside, Okay, this is going to be on anticipation of the results of the election being good for the economy, being good for the crypto market, being good for confidence returning to investors. If that happens, we need to watch out for the 1,500 point per coin level of resistance. Now, 1,500 points per coin is still a very nice move to the upside, but I'm looking for a break of that. And if we break out of that 1,500 point per coin range, we could absolutely test 2,000 points per coin again, and that's roughly an 80% increase in value. Now, that is going to be an amazing increase in value, but will it stay? This is perhaps the most important decision that you will have to make if you see that type of volatility in those types of swings to the upside. Will the prices sustain those levels? And when it comes to Shiba Inu Coin, we know that Shiba Inu Coin it's no stranger to volatility. The price moves, and when the price moves, it moves a lot. Here are the things that you need to look for. In a typical bull market, you have three things. You have an inflation rate that is either under control or declining. And this is good for business. Lower inflation rates means the potential for higher earnings. Low interest rates. If there's no competition in the market and you need to go to these riskier assets if you expect to receive a return, the lower the interest rates, the cheaper the money, the more confident investors are in these riskier or smaller assets like Shiba Inu Coin. So, do we have either one of those at this point in time? No. We got inflation that is still extremely high and potentially rising, and we've got interest rates that are not only high, but we know will continue to rise and will not begin to fall for quite some time. So, we don't check either one of those two boxes yet. Earnings. Now, earnings is a slightly different story, and it's not necessarily, you can't really use it on Shiba Inu Coin, but if you look at the overall stock market and the companies that are performing out there, are they making money? Are they growing, or are they declining? And right now, earnings are on the downturn. So we basically have this bull market that is in full swing, and we need to see these three things change or shift direction before we can really become confident in the market once more. Now, the election results, absolutely, they could lead to the beginning of that, but we won't know that that bull market is here until we see this sort of sustainability in inflation, interest rates, and in earnings as well. So I want to know what you guys think. When you apply it to Shiba Inu Coin and you're looking at the upcoming volatility or the potential volatility that we might see this week, do you think, let me know in the comments, do you think that it's going to be bullish or do you think that it's going to be bearish? Let us know down there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.